have for sale this stunning 1966 Porsche 912. This is an early free-dial car, and this is available first on Autocroc.
Let's go check out the car.
Now this is a matching numbers car. I'd say this car has been restored by an older gentleman or a real big enthusiast. The bodywork is in fantastic shape. The paintwork is good but not excellent. I'll probably do a bit more paintwork to this car to bring it up to a concourse level. The engine on the other hand is fantastic. The 4-cylinder is working and purring exactly the way it should.
Let's talk about the interior. Period correct, black interior, 3-dial, period stereo, brand new carpets, lovely vinyl seats. Let's take a look inside.